another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Wagwan. But today we're going to get straight into our hot topics, starting it off with EP, Elvis Presley.
Taking care of business.
No, taking care of business.
IK and I had the pleasure of seeing the Elvis Presley movie, and it was phenomenal. Elvis Presley, Austin Butler, he did amazing. And Tom Hanks, he really ran with the role. We're hearing Oscar buzz throughout the whole film.
True, I look forward to seeing Mr. Tom Hanks, and Austin Butler going out with a trophy. Not the She's Hot trophy,
That's right.
but an Oscar, because they both deserve it. Especially the rest of the cast. But you know what? The only thing I would change is maybe make it a little bit faster towards the beginning and to the middle. But other than that, the film was great. Let's get into our next hot topic with the She's Hot contest.
That's
which
right.
actually kind of correlates with the Elvis film because our winner is Miss Olivia DeJonge.
She plays his Elvis wife, Miss Presley. Congratulations, Miss Olivia.
She was a 10 in the film, and she's a 10, and she's hot on the loop.
Facts.
Now let's get into our next hot topic with the MTV Movie Awards. Sydney Sweeney brought home a lot of awards for her role as Cassie in the show Euphoria. So let's get down to the looks. For our first look, we have Vanessa Hudgens in her dress, a custom dress by Wang.
Dr. Ross, I could sum it all up in one word, and that is fabulous.
That's right. Let's get into our next lady. How do you feel about Miss Olivia Rodrigo?
Dr. Ross, I don't know who does her outfits, but every time she comes out, she's always one step ahead.
That's
always
right.
Looking like a 10.
On to our next girl, Sydney Sweeney. How do you feel about Miss Sydney Sweeney, IK?
She came out hot, Dr. Ross. I might have to ask her who made her that dress, because it came out nice.
Nicole Richie.
Dr. Ross, I like Nicole Richie's outfit. It's very different, very vibrant. I'm loving where she's going with the style on this one.
Jennifer Lopez, or how they call her around the block, J-Lo.
J-Lo is always going to be Jenny from around the street corner for me. But on this one, I like the style. I like where she's going with this one. She changed up from the shorter hairstyle, put more extensions in, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the outfit.
I'm loving it.
Paris Hilton, our last one.
When she went in the closet with this one, getting the mothballs out, I think, the 90s, or not the 90s, the 60s may not be it right now, but still, I put my hands on it and pull the dress off. But still, Paris Hilton, I give you a 10.
That's right. Let's get into our next hot topic because you heard it from IK himself. The girls on the red carpet for the MTV Awards were 10s. They blew us away. On to our next hot topic. They're saying Michael B. Jordan and Lori Harvey once again split up. What do you think, IK?
Michael B. Jordan, he was the best that Lori was ever going to get.
That's right.
She's probably not going to get any better. And we hear that she's saying she didn't want to marry him because she wasn't ready.
Some
That's
humbo
not it.
jumbo.
She just thought that he was milquetoast.
What Steve Harvey has to do is he has to dump Lori Harvey off somewhere in India or some other country that is not America because she's just going to ruin his good name. We all remember when Future was saying in his song that every single night she was crying to Steve Harvey to beg him to come back home. Future to come back home.
I feel bad for Uncle
She wants a thug. She wants a thug. Let's get into our... And we're
She's
sad
a-
that Michael B. Jordan got caught with the snake, but...
She's a kappa lover.
Kappa lover. A kata. Cotton picker.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
So Lizzo, we're going to put the picture right here. The picture speaks for itself. People always say that pictures can say more than words. Lizzo, pay that man. I know you're trying to say he's a boyfriend, but
my thing is, what was the budget she spent on this guy?
exactly, because it must have been high. He's grinning out there. You got him in the suit. he was excited to be there.
So
But-
Lizzo, hopefully you don't go out in the back and say, "Oh, I forgot my wallet. Can't really pay you this time."
Exactly.
Don't hustle the man.
On to our next hot topic. We have the split between Shakira and Gerard. So we already know that Shakira might come running back to this guy because the hips are lying. They're lying completely, and she's dressed scandalous right now because maybe she just wants to get out the house. Maybe she's tired of those little kids and she's tired of the husband, so she wants to get out the house, but she'll always come back.
That's probably it. Otherwise, Shakira. Keep on shaking. Let's get into our next hot topic.
So they say Derek and Haley are finally engaged now after 7 years of dating. We're gonna have no comment on this because 7 years of dating and I don't think you're the one, Derek. Thumbs down. On to our next hot topic. We have Tom Holland and Zendaya.
You know, that photo, it looks like it was taken a while ago because I don't even think they're together anymore.
Exactly.
I mean, they said all the things about buying a house. Tom Holland said that wasn't real. Their relationship is off and on. It's like every time Tom Holland makes every time he's in another Spider-Man, to correct myself, Zendaya comes running back for 1 week. No, make that an hour.
She's trying to get her fame back, which I mean is smart. She wants to be around wherever the fame is to keep her name vivid. So we're not hating on her. As fellow actors and actresses, we understand the game. But you could tell they had to put this photo in black and white because you guys look tore up.
No cap.
On to our next and final hot topic. We're going to go ahead and mention that you already know at the beginning of this show, IK and I were talking about Elvis, but you know Thor is coming up soon, so we will have a review for that too. Thor, Love and Thunder. They're going to be combining it with Guardians of the Galaxy with Chris Pratt, but they switched up, IK, and they said that his girlfriend from the first one is now going to be the second Thor, so we'll see how that turns out.
That's going to be quite an interesting twist.
Exactly.
And you know, also, Christian Bale is going to be in the film as Gore the Butcher. And they always bring up Christian Bale. He's going to give it a phenomenal performance in this film, I can already tell. But the one thing I'm hoping is that hopefully they don't kill him off within the first few scenes.
That's right. I hope they kill him off, because then IK and I can be in the next Thor. See you in Hollywood.
You know what, that's a good point, Dr. Ross. But
Close off these hot topics, IK.
these were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. For Kylie Jenner, that's for you. And for our winner for the She's Hot contest,
Miss Olivia sorry.
Olivia Dijon.
Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations on your win. You're not only hot...
Elvis.
That's right, Elvis. EP, Elvis Presley.
Taking care of business.
TCB.